Now I'll show you how to replace your LCD screen on your Mini-Smart Station. As always, before replacing components in your Smart Station, you should make sure that the unit is powered down. For the Mini-Smart Station, do this by unplugging the power supply from the outlet that's inside of the shell. Once that is done, you can begin removing the wires from the LCD screen. There's a power wire, an HDMI cable, and a small USB cable. Once these three cables have been removed from the LCD screen, you can unbolt it from the kiosk using a 5/16 inch socket. Once the nuts have been removed from the LCD screen, pull out on the screen away from the faceplate to dislodge the screen. Once you have the screen removed from the faceplate, we'll need to remove the metal mounting brackets on the LCD screen itself. We'll do this using a Phillips screwdriver. Once you have your new replacement LCD screen from your FlashCare maintenance kit, we'll need to reconnect the metal bracket to the back of the LCD screen using a Phillips screwdriver. Once you've reattached the metal brackets to the LCD screen, it's time to slide it back into place on the kiosk faceplate. With the LCD screen back in place, we'll secure it with the four 5/16 inch nuts. With the LCD screen firmly secured back in place, we'll reconnect the three cables to the bottom of the screen: the USB cable, the HDMI cable, and the power cord. That's how you replace an LCD screen in your Mini-Smart Station.